I just thought I'd make a quick video just to see my power up in action. I thought it was only fitting that I put it in a level that I made myself. First, before we actually take a look at the power up in action, I just thought we'd take a look at the level of detail models. Obviously, if we go from right to left, this is the completed model. I've added a Fresnel texture, or should I say material, on top of it, so it has a nice glow effect to it. Obviously you can see the specular map, which took a while to get to the correct level, because obviously in Max you can actually turn it down through just a normal gauge, whereas in here you need to add another material and continue to different levels, etc. But yeah, there's the specular maps, and obviously you can see the bump map. It's not quite as nice as it is in 3ds Max. Obviously you can see that if we come from an angle, you can probably work out here there's the TK216 logo that I've put on there, but it does, as I said, it doesn't come up as nice in here as it does in 3ds Max. Obviously you can see here there's the one without the glow effect on it, and here's the lower level of detail model. If we were at a distance, obviously if it was a lot smaller, I don't think we'd be able to tell the difference really. But there's not a lot of specular level on here. I've turned down the specular map, should I say, so the engine doesn't really have to calculate a lot of the specular. So, and as you can see, obviously if you looked at the models in 3ds Max, you'll be able to see that I've gone really crude with the geometry. I got rid of a lot of the bevel effects, so as you know that this model, the lower LOD model, is half the tries of the high LOD model. And if we just take a quick look of the power up in action, there we go. Obviously that's why the beam effect goes all the way down to the bottom, because I haven't actually constrained it properly, but obviously this is just video purposes, why I've just added this effect in here. As you can see, there's a turntable animation just as the power ups are in the game. They just spin on their central pivot point, and I've done exactly the same here. Just give you a quick synopsis of what's going to happen next. We're just going to run into this power up, and when we do, we'll actually disappear and give the power up noise, and it will just show a quick video of the power up in action and what would actually happen if this power up were to be utilized in the actual game. So we're just going to run into this now. And as we can see here, the jetpack, and we're firing off. With some more attention to detail, was I to actually add this in, I would have got rid of the beam effect and the particle effect. As you can see, this is how it would be in the game. You'd be floating around, you'll still be able to shoot and everything. And that's the end of the video.